Hey kids, today we're talking about mean and mean as a balance point. So this is something you learned in fourth, maybe fifth grade. So quick review. You're gonna have an IXL today. It's under fourth grade because it is review. It's gonna be V.9. But it's gonna look a little different than you're used to. It's gonna show you a number line with a bunch of numbers on it and got the X's to represent the data points. So for those of you who don't remember, mean is just finding the average. And the first thing you have to do when you find the average is add all the information up. So normally you would have a list of numbers. It makes it easier. This, you have to do an extra step. They give you the numbers, but they also have to mark it the X's. So we're just going to rewrite the numbers in a addition problem. So we have, and you count zeros. Don't forget that. So we have 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5. So we got all our numbers from where the x's lined up. So we add all that together. 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 10. And the last thing you do to find the average is just divide by how many x's there are. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. So we divide by 2. 5. 5 is going to be our mean. It's that simple. You just add up the numbers they give you, divide by how many x's there are, and you get your answer. Your goal is only 60, so you don't even have to get a ribbon. You get 60, stop. If you get 60 and you stop there, that's fine. Just remember, I see your score as is, and since I'm not asking you to get a ribbon, if you go to 60 and you drop down, I'm not going to be able to see that easy. So I recommend just stopping at 60 so you don't, fall down and have to do more work. All right, we're making the goal easier because this one has a little more work to it than some of the other assignments. If you have any questions, there will be notes showing you how to figure out the mean plus median, mode, range, because we're going to do that on Friday as well. Or you can send me an email. Okay? Have a good one.